We have made it into the hotel. Look at this. All this stuff. What's that? Don't touch that. So this is the first room. Oh, look at all that, bruh. We're coming down the hallway. Oh, bro, look in there. So it has electricity. Let's go in here. Oh. Look at this.
Like the bathroom's still here. Sweet. Like the bathroom's still here. You think they're doing work in here? You think so? Yeah. Well, are those lights up? Those yellow lights, the work lights.
Ooh.
No, right in dude.
I think those are vents.
No, the yellow work lights.
Oh, yeah.
Oh god, everything looks kind of... There's so much like electrical wire in there. Hello? Nothing? Is it coffee? We're trying to put a wall on the fire extinguisher. Right, it's crazy to think of that. Did you see it?
No, shut up. It's rain.
What is that? Where we going here? Hey, move that. Where we going here? Let's go, yeah. Please, move that. Let's go, let's go. Which way?
This way.
Go, go, go. Stop it, stop it. Right here. Let's go. God damn.